Afternoon team, welcome back to the channel. Now as promised, it stopped raining, just about. So we're going to finish off the service on our Range Rover L322 3.6 TD V8. In the last episode we changed the oil filter and the oil, and now we're going to do the air filter and the cabin filter. Hopefully before it starts raining again. There are 6 screws to take off. One here, one there, one there, one there, one there, and one there. So I've already loosened them off because no one needs to see. Undoing the screws. Now, watching other videos, people take off the mass airflow sensors or the map sensors.
Where are those again? Just point to me.
There and there.
Yeah.
I'm going to see if I can do it without doing that. Because it might be a bit easier.
Okay.
Might be, might not. I might have to take it all off. But I might just be able to sneak it out. Like that.
There's a win.
Right, this was replaced about a year ago, I think. So it's not uber dirty.
No?
No.
I don't know. Just look at the sides of it.
Yeah, let's look at a new one. Actually, you might need to get the Dyson. As if by magic.
Woohoo! Amazing.
Right, get your new one. Oh, looks good to me. So that's the old one. That's the new one. So it is quite dirty.
Oh yeah, there's a real difference.
Turn it over.
Yeah.
And that is the part number there.
That. Lovely.
Right.
And that was all part of the service kit that we got on eBay, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'll put an image up of what that was if anybody's interested in buying it themselves.
Oh, hang on. Oh, sweet. And that pipe's still on. Beautiful. Right. So that's the old one. That's clear as we go. That's all in. Looks all good. Nothing caught in there, no wires or anything. No. I haven't broken anything off. No, they're all still on. Cool. Do these bad boys up.
Actually, that went a lot smoother than I was expecting, so it's not such a crazy job, is it?
No. Make sure there's no leaks or anything. Yeah, that looks good. Just tighten them up. So not over tight. One here. Against that cable, so be careful. Don't want to pinch any cables. That's a vacuum line. If you have to take the whole airbox out, that's the bit you want to unplug. This one here. You have to unplug if you've taken the whole thing out. Right, now the cabin filter. So apparently that one's down, that one's down, that one's down, that one's down. I meant to use a trim clip for this. Apparently. Good. There you go. Now, before we move it, let's look inside. And it says airflow down. And it's the same make as this one, isn't it?
Let's have a look. There we go.
Made in Germany.
Yeah.
So, pull this one out.
There's been a lot of debate on YouTube and and online of which way up
Well,
this filter goes, but that most definitely
this is looking fairly clean, actually.
It's not too bad, actually.
No.
No.
A little step invaluable, even though I'm quite tall. Whoa.
Grim.
So let's open the new one.
Who's this one made by? Cool.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
And on this one, there's nothing at all. Yeah. That was quite a lovely look.
Oh, okay, cool. If that's the way it's gone in, that's the way it goes in.
That's it. Finished.
Tick.
Right, so last thing to do, let's start her up. Make sure there's no warning signs, or warning lights, or...
Yeah.
Avoid that. If you like this, quick like and subscribe would be lovely.
Yes, it would.
We're trying to make 10 views.
We got a new subscriber today.
I know we did.
I know.
How long got now?
10, 11.
All sounds good.
Yeah.
Right, bye for me.
And it's a bye from me. And the sun's coming out. See ya.